Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to watch Premier League on laptop. First, you need to download a VPN app. Go to your browser and search Proton VPN. Click Proton VPN. Then tap Get Proton VPN. It will take you to another page. Just click Free Forever. Then click Continue with Free. You need to create an account. Then it will now download. Once it's done downloading, you can now set it up. Then open it. Log in. Once it's done, you will now connect to the other server. I will recommend a US server. Tap on it, then connect. After that, to watch Premier League, go to your browser and search NBC Sports. Tap on it. Sign up. Then once you're done, at the top side, click Watch. It will take you to another page. Then click the search icon at the top. Search Premier League. Then now, you will be able to see the upcoming game and live game. Then that's it. That's how you watch Premier League on your laptop. Thank you guys.